All right. Let me just make sure that we are live. I don't know why I look so blurry today. All right. Anyway, all right. So today we are going to talk about. My mic seems a little weird. Let me just make sure I can hear um, you. I'm just talking to my assistant and just making sure that you can hear me. All right. And if you are on, please let me know. Write a message telling me that you can hear. If you can't hear me, well, then I have to fix something on my end. Okay. All right. So this is weird. According to my assistant, there is a huge delay in my streaming. All right. So I am just going to apparently apparently a 1 minute delay, right? So I'm talking and she still has on her side a 1 minute countdown. So that's odd. So anyway, um, technical issue. So I probably do have to wait another 30 seconds before I hear any chat messages going back and forth. Yeah, so there is kind of weird. So there seems to be, and she was saying that it's blurry. All right. So anyway, I'm going to keep on moving forward, even though we have technical issues. All right. So today I'm going to be talking about how would you, as a business owner, uh, take missed opportunities and turn them into potential revenue, potential clients, potential prospects, right? And so what are some of those missed opportunities? So, for example, if you are in the field, let's say if you're a real estate agent and you are at a closing, or maybe you are on an inspection, or you are doing an open house, or you are with your client, and but you don't want to be disrespectful by picking up a call, right? Those are potential calls that a lot of real estate agents get a lot of solicitations, right? But then among all those solicitations, there might be a prospect that may be calling, and so you don't want to miss out on those opportunities. Also, that applies to your Google Business Profile if you have set it up, right? Or your Facebook direct messaging or Instagram direct messaging. And so today we're going to be talking about how do we set that up either with automations or with AI, right? Artificial intelligence, so that you can take the load off of possibly not missing that call. And so just a little background story of how I came across this topic. Okay. As you may or may not know, I'm developing a new platform, a marketing platform called Pro360 .io, right? And recently we have actually teamed up with another partner to come up with Pro360 AI, artificial intelligence. Anyway, so I don't want to talk about that right now. So with Pro360, one of our customers that are actually currently beta testing this platform is a videographer. And so she came to me and she basically is going to be speaking in front of, I believe, a bunch of general contact, general contractors. And so uh, she has approximately 5 minutes to do her pitch or her presentation, and her topic is basically introducing new technology or new, I guess, technology platform or whatever. And so she's gonna combine AI or automations with videos and talking about how so ultimately, we came to. So I work closely with her because she's actually beta testing our new software, and so I told her in 5 minutes you can't really do really a presentation with slides. So the best way you can do is to show them what we can do or what automations can do. And so the best way that I'm going to show you and share with you is probably let's take a look and share with you. All right, so this is what you're looking at is my my dialer for my real estate business, and it's Grasshopper. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a phone call. And so what I'm going to have her do is instead of verbally sharing the platform of Pro 360, give them a opportunity to see it in action. So let's say there's 60 people in the let's say there's 60 people currently at this event, right? And so she's going to tell everybody to take out their phone and punch in and call this number, right? So I'm going to put in this number, 201-561. I hope this works. So let's see, 8957. Call this number and just let it ring. Okay. Hopefully, I don't know if you'll be able to hear it. All right. And let it ring, and then uh, we're gonna hang up at this point. So your this could be the phone call that you're getting, right? That the general contractors are getting. I'm just gonna let it ring. So it's actually coming through here. I gotta fix that. All right. So a text message basically came back and says, "Hey, sorry, missed your call. Please confirm by replying opt-in or confirm." And then I'm gonna just current coding. And then it's gonna say, "Sorry, we missed your call. How can we help you?" Okay. And then see the automation here is not fully set up here. So it's saying, "Wasn't that cool? Imagine how much business you could save if simple text like that went out to the caller every time your business missed a call." Cool. Okay. Then can we show you how we can set up Pro 360 for your business so you can try it risk-free? And then let's just say yes, right? So let me make this a little bit bigger. Let me see if I can make this a little bit bigger so that we can see it here. Great. What's your name and email address? All right. So I'm gonna here, Paul Kim, and my email address. Let's put in let's see here. Let's put in an email address that I'm just wondering. Let's put in support at kmadison.com, right? And I'm gonna put in. And so what I'm getting here is on my phone, I am getting not only messages because I also have Grasshopper installed on my computer, but I'm also getting messages from my platform because this is actually Pro 360 missed call text back, they call it. And I'm getting notification that there's a new lead that has submitted the information. And what that system is doing is it's picking up all this information, the email, phone numbers, and then thanks for providing, grab any opening that works for you. And so um, for Christine that is going to be doing this presentation or this demo is basically ultimately lead them into a video page or video explaining what she does in her business and a basic maybe 20 like 15 to 20-second video that will explain. Now this video that so this in this example it's going to a page that's scheduling a demo, right? But in her case, uh, maybe what she can do is she's going to put a video on top of this, right? And then a calendar to schedule the demo, right? Or schedule an appointment to meet with her to do a demo, right? So, in a nutshell, within that 5 minutes or less, she has the opportunity to not only grab their name, email, phone number, um, present a video, right? A well done video, 20 seconds to 30 seconds, that explains what she does, right? And the technology that's utilizing this. And this also has the ability to nurture them afterwards. So basically follow up with an email, text message as well. And now you have the ability to capture them via a calendar, which also is included, right? And so that way that she can do a one-on-one to potentially um, have them, use one of her service packages, right? This can also work also with um, Google Business Profile. It can also work with Instagram and Facebook messaging to DMs, right? And I'm not going to go into that. And that's pretty much it in a nutshell. And that's how I came across with this topic. And not only am I showing you this, let me just go back to my live and stop the share. Okay. All right. And so rather than um, explaining, you know what? I'm going to show you. Let me show you the back end, all right, of what this automation. So let me just share with you. The automation needs to be fine tuned a little bit, right? So this is the automation, right? Okay, let me go and share my screen so that way you can take a look here. All right, so this is the automation. Let me see if I can make it a little bit bigger. Let me see. Okay, so this is the incoming trigger, which is basically any calls that come in, and then we create an opportunity, which is a sales pipeline. And then these are text messages that are going out. Now, um, these are automation workflows, right? Um, the One of the things that we're trying to implement, and I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to do this before. Um, so this is the if then condition. If they respond yes or they don't respond, they go into a different workflow, right? So this is automation workflow. So there's now, are they going to respond properly or not? That depends, yeah, upon the specific questions you ask. Now, there is what's called the conversational AI um, that this that we're developing, right? That is not right now. I'm not sure 100% if I'm going to be able to implement that before her presentation on April 17th, but I'm going to try, right? So basically, what this conversational AI is, uh, what it does is you can create a Google Doc, or you can take a web page, and basically what the conversational AI does is that we take that page or that document, we put a whole bunch of information that pertains to uh, what you want the AI to do, and what it does is you could train it based on those the information on that page, and then it'll try to book an appointment, or it'll have a conversation with the potential person that actually uh, called and missed the call back, or missed call text back, right? So then um, it will try to qualify them as a potential customer or client, and then ultimately try to get their information, and then it will uh, uh, make an appointment or try to book an appointment for a one-on-one uh, call, right? Um, that is something that we're trying to develop. Not sure if we could do it by April 17th or not, but I'm going to try, right? So, like I said, so we're in the beta test of this Pro 360 platform. We have people, we have professionals or real estate, we have real estate agents, and we have other professionals like this, like Christine, who's a videographer, beta testing it, and hopefully, once we get all the kinks out and really have everything working that we want, we're going to, fully release it. So, but in the meantime, we're working on it. I'm giving you some of the things that we're working on to fine tune this software, this platform. Okay. Um, On that note, I can't believe it's already 20 minutes past. But if there are any questions, I'm going to stay around for the next minute or two. If there isn't, let me see here. No questions. I don't see any questions. Um, Let me see if, right, so initially the video was blurry. Um, I'm gonna see if there's any, if there's no questions, then I'll see you next week and hope to be keeping you updated with what's going on with Pro 360 as well as some of the things that we're doing with our marketing agency. Um, Also, I am going to be talking more about more specifically real estate professionals. That's because of the, my background is in that space. And I'm going to be talking about really uh, uh, the softwares and the platforms to really help you generate and automate your whole business, right? And as we are working closely with some of the clients and customers, hopefully I can bring that information to you with these live streams, right? And so if you are having any specific struggles, and if you are some of the people watching here may be real estate. I mean, you may be marketing agencies or you may be real estate agents. So, but any question is welcome. All questions are welcome, and anything that you're dealing with, we can help you. All right. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you next Thursday. All right. Bye now.